there and welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie and it is Paper Pad Monday with a flip through, or a breakdown rather, of the Untamable kit from Die Cuts with a View. I purchased this kit thinking of scrapbooking some of my zoo pictures. I love going to the zoo, have quite a lot of pictures, and this just kind of lends itself to that. So let me show you what kits I put together. So there is this kind of jungle kind of floral print. It does have some foiling on it, but not a lot, which is okay. I paired that with this kind of orangey, rust orange floral print, a black and white stripe. Okay, the next one features that same pattern paper. This time I paired it with a green geometric and I guess this is a geometric as well, orange. The back side of this is really heavily foiled. So the only thing that I don't like when you have like really heavily foiled paper like this is sometimes you can see that it's debossed on this side, so you can see how there's kind of this weird look. But I'll probably end up using that for a mat or layering, and so you probably wouldn't see it anyways. Now, I am not a big insect fan, but I did think that these would make some cute boy pages, and I do have some nephews that I think I could pair some photos up with. So there is this beetle page, which I paired with this kind of yellow geometric, and then this green kind of hash basket weave. I think that'll be really great for some outdoor pictures. There is a smaller beetle page on a black background, which I paired with this blue kind of speckled dot, and then that green kind of basket weave again. Now this is really dark. I would definitely introduce some white, I think, in here, just to brighten it up a little bit. Another kind of jungle foliage print, again with some foiling. I paired that with the basket weave print. Again, this time the green is more blue than olive, so just pulling the other one out so you can see the difference, right? So this is a little more blue-green versus the olive green. And then a orange diamond pattern. And then I thought it might be kind of fun to throw in this small floral print. Normally I don't like to put two florals in a kit, but the scale on this is significantly smaller than this one, and it just pulls in some of the other greens in here. Same inspiration sheet, paired that with this kind of palm. I don't know, is it a palm? What's a card? Fern maybe? Yeah, fern might be a better word. Fern print, and then there was this blue diamond pattern. I really like that one. Now this blue is not exactly in this paper, but I think with everything going on, it does kind of make some of this turquoise look a little bit darker than it really is in real life. Okay, then we have this butterfly paper, which of course, you know, pairs really well with the orange kind of scalloped look and a black and white stripe. So now we are going full on jungle. I think this one, while it would work for a zoo, would also work for Disney. For the Jungle Cruise, I think might be kind of fun. Something a little bit different. Here's that scallop print, only this time it's in like a gray or black. And it's pretty busy, but the scale of this is quite small compared to this, and this is light versus dark. So I think we can get away with it. And then here's that diamond orange paper again. Same inspiration print. This time I paired it with that small floral and this kind of broken zigzag in the orange. And because I thought this needed a little bit of brightening, I paired this gray one again in with this. Does it really brighten it that much? Not really. You know, a white or something might be a little bit better, but as a layering piece, it would probably do the trick. It would also make a really great mat for a layout. So a few options. So those are the kits that I put together. What was I left over with? This heavily foiled leaf. It's actually really quite pretty. The back side of that is that beetle print. Here's the same leaf pattern, only this time not foiled. The back side of that is this small floral on orange. Same leaf pattern yet again, this time on a dark black. And this is that scalloped pattern, heavily foiled on like a mint green. I've got 2 of those sheets. Here's that kind of fern pattern. The back side of that is an animal print. There's that broken orange chevron, and then this leaf print. What are they called? Montserrat leaves or something like that? I can't remember. I think I made that up. Did I make that up? And then that orange print with the green leaves on the other side. Now, I did flip some of these over because that's how I'm going to put them in my stash. So that's why you see them spread out. So that is it for the Untamable paper pad from Die Cuts with a View. What do you think? What would you use this for? What do you think of this paper pad? There's a lot of greens and a lot of oranges, which is kind of what drew me to it. I like having a lot of variety. I think it would be fun, especially with zoo pictures. Let me know below what you think, and until next time, happy crafting.